Let's go and put my face from this clip over the top of this B-roll in a circle. First thing to do is drag your clip over the top of the thing you want to put it on top of, and then open up the effects and choose effects and search for circle, and then drag this shape circle effect on top of the video clip that contains your face. You can now close the effects and come over here and open up the inspector. The first thing you want to click is this apply as mask checkbox, and watch what happens when we do this. It's now using that circle as a mask, and anything not inside that circle, it's going to show up what's underneath it. If you want to, you can soften the edge of this circle. If you go too much, it's going to blend in too much with the background. You can see at the minute my face is not actually in the middle of the circle. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this center X and center Y to move the circle up. You can also use the size slider if you want to make this bigger or smaller. But now we're cutting off most of the face, but we can fix that. What we're going to do is come over to the video tab and we're going to change the zoom X property. You can see that's shrinking things down inside that circle. You can also use the X and Y position here to alter the position of the face. So this is all well and good, but how do we actually move the face down to here? We're going to open up the effects, and this time we're going to search for transform in the open FX section, and you can see we've got this Resolve FX transform. We're going to drag that on top of the clip that contains our face, and now we're going to use the position X slider to move it across, and the position Y slider to move it either up or down. If you want to go past the end of the position Y range, hold down your mouse button on the number and then keep dragging to move it even further. Now you can see we've got the face in a circle over the top of another clip.